In today's digital age, social media has become an integral part of any successful marketing strategy. With millions of active users and a wealth of data at your fingertips, Twitter is undoubtedly one of the most powerful platforms to promote your business. However, to truly harness its potential, you need to embrace data-driven marketing and focus on the key metrics that matter. In this article, we will explore 10 essential metrics that can help boost your business through effective Twitter marketing. Follower growth rate. The number of followers you have on Twitter directly impacts your reach and influence. Tracking your follower growth rate allows you to measure the effectiveness of your content and engagement strategies. Aim for steady growth over time by providing valuable content, engaging with followers, and leveraging relevant hashtags. Engagement rate. Building a strong community on Twitter requires more than just accumulating followers. It demands active engagement from both sides. Monitoring your engagement rate, which includes likes, retweets, replies, helps gauge how well you are connecting with your audience. Focus on creating compelling content that sparks conversations and encourages interaction. Click-through rate, center. Ultimately, driving traffic to your website or landing page is crucial for conversions and sales generation. By tracking CTRs for links shared in tweets or bio descriptions using URL shorteners like bit.ly or Google Analytics UTM parameters, you can assess the effectiveness of different calls to action, CTAs, and optimize them accordingly. Conversion rate. While getting people to click through is important, what really matters is converting those clicks into actual customers or leads who take desired actions such as making a purchase or signing up for a newsletter. By setting up conversion tracking pixels or codes on relevant pages across your website combined with UTM parameters in URLs shared via Twitter campaigns enables accurate measurement of conversion rates. Sentiment analysis. Understanding how your audience perceives your brand is crucial for shaping your marketing strategy. Sentiment analysis tools can help you gauge the overall sentiment, positive, negative, or neutral, of tweets mentioning your brand or specific campaigns. This insight allows you to address any issues promptly and capitalize on positive feedback. Reach and impressions. The number of people who see your tweets, reach, and the number of times they are displayed, impressions, provide valuable insights into the visibility and impact of your content. Tracking these metrics helps identify which types of tweets resonate most with your audience, enabling you to refine your messaging accordingly. Hashtag performance. Hashtags are powerful tools for increasing discoverability and joining conversations relevant to your industry or niche. By monitoring the performance of hashtags used in your tweets, you can identify trending topics, engage with influencers, and optimize future hashtag usage for maximum reach. Audience demographics. Knowing who makes up your Twitter audience is essential for tailoring content that resonates with them effectively. Analyzing demographic data such as age range, gender distribution, location, and interests enables better targeting through personalized messaging that aligns with their preferences. Customer lifetime value, CLV. Acquiring new customers is important, but retaining existing ones is equally vital for long-term business growth. By tracking CLV from Twitter-sourced customers over time, including average purchase value and frequency, you can assess the effectiveness of customer retention strategies implemented through this platform. Return on investment, ROI. Last but not least, measuring the ROI generated from Twitter marketing efforts ensures accountability and informs future budget allocation decisions accurately. By analyzing metrics like cost per click, CPC, cost per acquisition, CPA, or revenue generated directly from Twitter campaigns versus associated expenses provides a clear picture of campaign effectiveness. In conclusion, harnessing the power of data-driven marketing on Twitter can significantly boost business success. By tracking these 10 key metrics, you can gain valuable insights into your audience, optimize your content and engagement strategies, and maximize the return on your marketing investment. So, don't just tweet aimlessly. Leverage the power of data to drive your Twitter marketing efforts towards greater success. Remember, follower growth rate, engagement rate, click-through rate, center, conversion rate, sentiment analysis, reach and impressions, hashtag performance, audience demographics, customer lifetime value, CLV, and return on investment, ROI, are the essential metrics that matter for a thriving Twitter presence.